I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use peppermint oil for headache. Gently dilute a few drops of peppermint oil in a carrier like fractionated coconut oil or jojoba, aiming for a 1 to 2% dilution for adults. Rub the mixture onto your temples and the back of your neck using light circular motions for up to 15 minutes. Breathe slowly and rest in a dim, quiet space while monitoring for any skin or respiratory sensitivity. Start by mixing 1 to 2 drops of peppermint oil into a teaspoon of carrier oil, keeping concentration gentle and safe. Apply to temples and the base of the skull with light pressure, avoiding broken skin and the eye area. Combine with slow, deep breaths for added relief, and consider a cool compress over the forehead to reduce inflammation. If you feel burning or rash, wash the area immediately and discontinue use. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a small comfort while you recover, especially when fresh air helps. It's an easy way to keep your ride pleasant between headache breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For inhalation, add 1 to 3 drops of peppermint oil to a diffuser or a bowl of hot water, then inhale the steam with steady, calm breaths for several minutes. Keep sessions brief and the room well ventilated to avoid overwhelming your senses. A single drop on a tissue or cotton ball can serve as a quick pick-me-up during a headache flare, and placing the cotton near, but not on skin, prevents irritation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.